that is the front camera, which, can you walk to the front real quick just so you can get an idea how close? Come close.
Oh, come close.
Come closer.
Really?
Boom, there's his feet.
Yeah, they're your feet.
So it's, because I can see everything else, it's that last little tiny bit before you make impact.
Oh, interesting.
And then if I click it again, that's the rear camera. And then front and rear cameras. And then this is a service and information. And then basically normal operating. And then this gives me tire pressure. This gives me my roll and my climb altitude.
Right.
And then all the other.
Okay, and real quick, explain to me the different modes for four-wheel drive.
Yep, so two-wheel drive. As right now, as you see, it likes four-wheel drive, okay? So, you see the shifter right here, it goes from lock. When I go to lock, that's four-wheel spool.
Okay.
When I was just climbing right there, my knee hit it, and I went to four-wheel drive, which is really like a limited split four-wheel drive.
Right.
And that's really three-wheel drive.
And then explain the transmission for me real quick.
So transmission, if you look here, I'm in neutral. If I go forward, I'm in reverse, park. So it's a sequential shifter. So reverse, neutral, and if you hear it click down here, just think about your ratchet on your ratchet wrench. It's just going to grab another tooth. So the shifting mechanism that has a lot of problems in a lot of transmissions is in the shifter itself. So we built this, has teeth on it, and it goes, and then...
So that's first?
I'm in first. All right, you heard it click?
Yep.
Now it says, okay, you can grab second. Now it's grab the next tooth.
Okay. Which
the ratio is different between each tooth. It was pretty hard to figure it out. And now it's in third.
And third will get you up to how many miles an hour?
110.
And in
with a speed key.
And with the Rock Edition, where's it going to top out?
80 miles an hour.
Gotcha. All right. And real quick, when you come out with the Rock Edition, what is going to be on the car? We talked about the UHMW skids.
Yep, so it comes with full UHMW skids. Comes with a 6,000-pound winch. It comes with a Rock transmission, which is a low-range transmission for 80 miles an hour. And then you get your normal dash display, but because we have so many modes, we have another option. You'll still get an option if you want a second dash. You would get an option here, but Rock Editions come with a roof, and that's a UHMW roof as well. And then we have mirrors and the rear view mirror, plus the cameras, plus tire pressure temperatures and tire sensors.
And what about the tires?
And then it comes with a Rock Edition tire, which is very similar to an OBOR like we've been running, with speed treads on the side and a square hex in the middle.
So what we got right now is your desert tire.
That is our 35-inch tall desert tire, and it does come with 35-inch rock tires. Also get fire extinguisher, and you get your ropes. So you get your rope and your overloop, and your rope for extensions.
Got it.
And then back here, if you open up your little door behind you.
I don't know how to open my little door behind me.
Now this door here pops open. It holds a belt inside there. And then in here, if you have a speed toolbox, where's the little plugs? Oh, they're on your side. Take those little plugs out. And when you lift this up, this tool tray is out of the speed toolbox, sit right in there.
Ah, gotcha.
So it has a built-in toolbox. All Speed UTV cars come with 5-point harnesses.
And you're using a cam lock.
And it's a cam lock, and you can load each one by itself. And then the driver one has the speed sensor wire in it. And this was a lot of work trying to get the speed sensor wire to work with the 5 cam locks. And if you don't have all 4 of them plugged in, you don't get the unlocked. So you're stuck at 25 miles an hour.
Yep.
And then the other thing, it's really important to have a 5-point because you need this one for subbing up because the seat belts will come up.